You know, if you grab a pot, put some water in there, make sure it's a rise to the top. Grab a pack of the instant noodle stack. It's the stretch to the hunger pack. Take the stretch to the hunger pack. Do you know if you grab a pack, put some water in there, make sure it rise to the top. Grab a pack of the instant noodles.